Yung ano, sir? Gianpaolo. Okay lang kayo dyan, guys. Shoutout muna tayo. Gusto mo shoutout? Kaya mo? Kaya? Okay, ito ba? Kaya? Thank you. Okay. Going to the last game para sa umagang ito. Magandang umaga po. This is the battle between Arayco versus Tekatlong Kalduran. Ano? Baba, steal. Running shot, basket. And the first basket para sa Team Arayco. Malong, hindi diskarte. Post steal. Number 15. Pull up jumper, basket. 4-0. In favor pa rin sa Team Arayco. Cross-court pass, fake. Out of bounds. Jumper, miss. Boy, what an easy 2 points by jersey number 3. Or 2-point leads para sa Arayco. Kick out. Running shot, using the board and score. Cross-court pass, number 16. Stop and pop. Uy, nakalusot. Naipaso pa yun ni Malong. Number 13. Running shot, using the board and score. 8-4. Bad pass. Number 13, derecho, basket. Diretso wala. Lataas naman po. 10-4. Number 16 gets the conduct and there's the foul. Bonus shot for Malong. 2 shots rather. 7 minutes and 25 seconds. Malong, basket, 5-10. Number 14, fake. Uy, what a nice move by number 14. Malong. Pass number 68, hook shot, wala. Number 7, kick out. Pass to Malong. Malong. Uy, wala. Rebound ng Aray ko. Guy, number 15 to number 14. Basket. 14-5. Jai, basket. At may sagot doon ang ikatlong kanluran. From the corner, bang! Bumabaril na si number 25. Uy, wala. Timbang, and that is a foul. Number 14 to number 11. Bigay sa corner. Pass number 14. Wala. Out of bounds. Basket again. Malong, catch and shoot, wala. There's a foul. Catch and shoot, wala. Number 68, derecho, Malong. Uy, steal by Timbang. Sorry. Ooh, number 13, derecho, too strong, rebound. Number 13. to 14. Back to number 13. Wala tawag. Ate referee gets the foul. Out the pass. Malong. Uy. Sorry, that's number 18. Humahabol ang ikatlong kanluran at may sagot ang Team Arayco. Timbang. Oh. Malong. Well, pass. Yes, sir. Para nice connection para sa ikatlong kanluran. Number 13. Cross-court pass from the corner. Short. Rebound. Ayan na, Malong. 2 against 2. Malong fake. Malong drive and score. 20-15. Labas sa lima ang lamang ng Team Arayco. Number 14 gets the contact. May foul. Si Castro. That's 45. Number 11. Uy, pass number 15. Basket. Malong spin. Uy, wala. Rebound. Number 13. Okay, sa corner. Number 25. Too strong. Iba pa rin ang Arayco. Number 13 with the basket. 24-25. Oh, sorry, 24-15. Number 1, top of the key for 3. Wala. Iba by Castro. Back to number 1 for 3. Bam! 3-point. Para jersey number 1 of ikatlong kanluran. 24-17. Shoutout po. Babay kaya kap. Oy, at may sagot sa number 15. With a dagger. 26-17. Castro. Oy, that's a trouble. Remaining time, 1 minute and 42 seconds pa po na natitira para sa ating first quarter game. Number 16, top of the key. Yes, sir. Haramilia. 29-17. Ay na, timbang. Oh, bad pass. Steal. Number 25, pass to Haramilia. Bless the block by Castro. Mata. Floater, wala. Rebound. Number 7. Pass number 18. Paasa pala yun. Wala. Number 13, Timbang, wala pa rin. Timbang gets the foul. That is a foul. Shooting on the line by Custodio. Number 18. 13. Rather. Correction, Custodio pala yun. First shot para kay Custodio. Wala. Last 41 seconds remaining. Wala. Rebound by Custodio. Uy! too strong. Rebound. Rebound ng aray ko. Number 13. Binigay sa corner. Catch and shoot. Wala. Rebound by number 25. Paso number 13. Binigay. Basket. For Imata. 31-17. Number 1, binigay from elbow 3. Wala. Rebound by Castro. Pinasa sa corner. No good. Rebound by number 35. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first quarter. Official score 31-18 sa pagtatapos ng ating 17 rather. Sa pagtatapos ng ating first 18 na. 18 correction. 31-18 sa pagtatapos ng ating first quarter. Lamang po ang Team Arayco. Alright, second quarter coming up. Yan natin dito kung makakahabol dito ang ikatlong kanluran. Hey, shout out. Happy Mother's Day. Ayan, Happy Mother's Day po sa lahat ng ating parents. Mom, Dad, Mommy. Use in the glass. Wala. Rebound by number 6. Ayan, siyempre tumatang yung ina para sa kanyang mga anak. Happy Mother's Day po sa lahat. Cross court pass. Number 6 for 3, in and out. Rebound ng ikatlong kanluran. Ayan na si number 1. Pass number 18. Binigay. Malong. Wala. Rebound. By Timbang. Steal ng Arayco. Ayan na. Aramilio spin and there's a foul. Number 7. Time remaining 9 minutes and 15 seconds. Cross-court pass. Aramilio for 3. In and out. Rebound by number 7. Number 7, basket. 31-20. Number 6 for 3, short. Out of bounds. Number 7, binigay sa corner, running shot, and there's a foul, and 1 for Sandrino. Number 18 shooting for one shot for a 3-point play. Sandrino, wala. Rebound ng Arayco. Number 6, bounce pass. Pull-up jumper, no good. Rebound by Timba. Binigay, Malong, derecho, gets the contact. May foul. Tinawag para kay Malong. On the free throw area, Malong, number 18, number 16. First shot is good for Malong. Malong miss. Rebound by Malong. Drive. Uy, wala. Rebound. Timbang. Oh! Nice move Parang flex din. Parang itim gang. Number 6. Ayan na. Number 13. I-discarte. Pass number 6. 4-3. No good. Rebound. Ito yung sa foul. Time remaining 7 minutes and 35 seconds. Full of jumper basket. 27-31. Bola rito ng Arayco. Number 13 to number 16. Bounce pass to Castro. Sorry, number 15. Oh, there's a 3 seconds violation. Team Ikatlong Kanluran. Oh. Time remaining 7 minutes and 7 seconds para sa ating second quarter. Lamang pa rin po dito ang Team Arayco with a 27-31. Side back to the ball game. Ayan. Back to the ball game. Bola rito ng Team Ikatlong Kanluran. Fake. Ayan na. Number 7. Pinagay. Malong. Stop and pop. Uy, wala. Rebound. Ayan na. Nagagawa. Makakuha ng Arayco. Number 15. Pinagay. Pinakasa. Number 14. Is it 2 points? What a nice connection there para sa Arayco. Balik ang kalamangan sa anim. Sa anim. Team Gang, running shot. Ooh, nice move by Team Bang. 29-33. Baba sa 5. Oh, sorry, 4. Number 15, fake. Umatake. Nice shot by number 15. 35-29. Balik sa 6. Drop pass. Timbang. Too strong. Last touch. Si Timbang. Last touch daw doon. Si ang Ikatlong Kanluran. 35-29. Nasa corner 4-3. Wala. Rebound number 15. Basket. 29-37. Pass to Malong. Malong, binigay. Pass to number 7. Catch and shoot. Using the board. Wala. Rebound by number 13. Number 13. Di-discarte. Binigay. Oh, steal. Almost. Ni Malong. But out of bounds. Last touch. Same ball. Number 13. Emata. Oh, there's a trouble. Time remaining 4 minutes and 53 seconds on our game clock. Bola ng Ikatlong Kanluran. Number 7. Kick out. Malong. Drive. Uy, wala. Rebound. Number 13. Out that pass. Number 14. Akin na to. Basket yan. By number 14. Ayun na. Nagmamadali. Oh, gets the foul. On the free throw area once again, number 17, that is Custodio. First shot, no good. Second shot para kay Custodio. Ayan na. Uy! Tulak. There's the foul. Basket counted pa rin. But there's a foul, number 7. Cross-court pass, number 25, fake, stop and pop. Wala, rebound. Nakakuha pa rin ng mga naka-blue. Fake, oh, steal, number 18. Pass to Malong, Malong, atake. Too strong, Timbang with the rebound. Ay na, nagagawan. Makuha ng mga naka-blue. Number 13, Emata, running shot, no. Rebound by Timbang. Out that pass. Number 13, no good. Rebound again by Imata. Imata binigay sa corner. Catch and shoot. Bam! 41-30. Number 18. And gets a contact. Uy! There's a foul. Two shots para kay jersey number 18. That is Sandrino. Two shots para kay Sandrino. Wala. Second shot para kay Sandrino. Sandrino, basket. Baba sa 10 ang lamang ng Team Arayco. 10 na lamang po ang inahabol ng ikatlong kanluran. Number 13, binigay. Wide open shot. Short. Ayan, kapos nga lang. Ang tira doon. Ayan na. Number 7. Pass to Timbang, stop and pop, no good. Rebound by number 6. Pass to number 13, Emata. Bigay sa corner, number 25. Too strong, rebound. Number 7, number 13. Oy, nice shot by Sandrino. 33-41. Number 13, bounce pass, steal, almost. Last touch, gray ball. 2 minutes and 32 seconds. Bola rito ng ikatlong kanluran. Ayun na, sinong tatanggap? Si number 1. Number 1. Ay, tawid. Pass number 7. Cross-court pass. Sandrino, reverse. Wala. Rebound. Ayun na, tumatakbo. Steal by number 7. Almost steal. What a good hustle there para sa Team Kanluran. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 9 seconds. Pinagay sa corner, bounce pass. Spin, drive. Wala. Rebound ng mga naka-gray. Ayun na. Number 7. Cross-court pass to Timbang. Binigay sa corner. Catch and shoot. Yes, sir. Stepping on the line. Nakita yun natin official. Time out ba? Time out. Time out muna tayo dito. Ang aray ko. 35-41. Anim na lang ang hinahabol ng Team Kanluran. Tingnan natin ang atin ng Team Arayco. Boss Archie, shout out. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Guys, sa corner. Pass to Timbang. Timbang, running shot. Oy, nakalusot. Si Timbang. Ayan na ang Arayco. Number 12. Number 16. Pass to Imada. Pinasa sa corner. Stop and pump. Yes, sir. 43-37. Balik sa anim ulit ang lamang. Ayan na, babawi sa 3. Wala. Rebound by number 6. Number 13 out at pass. What a good hustle there by number 7 to steal the ball. Pero hindi nga lang nakuha. Last 59 seconds. Almost 1 minute na lamang po ang natitira para sa ating first half. Number 10, pass to number 66. Pass to number 13. Imata, pinigay sa corner. Number 16 for 3. Yes, sir! Para sa 3. By Haramilia. Correct me if I'm wrong. That is jersey number 16. Babawi rin sa 3 using the glass. Wala. Rebound ng Arayco. Out and pass. Steal by number 7. Pass number 13. Derecho. And 1. Basket count plus a foul by number 13. Sandrino. (46-39). Babasa pito ang lamang. Ay, nadaan ka? No good. Rebound again ng mga Gray. Number 1, cross-court pass. Number 7, half step, using the glass. Nakalusot. Si number 7, ayan na, 5 na lang ang hinahabol ng Tikatlong Kanluran. 46-41. 4 seconds to shoot. 4-3. Wala. 3. Isa pa. Wala na. End of that second quarter. Official score 46-41. Lamang ng 5 ang Arayco. Magbabalik tayo para sa third period. Ayan, muli maraming pong salamat. Ayan, sa ating punong barangay with Caplino, Trinidad, Barangay West Crame. Siyempre, sa katulong yan ng ating butihing kagawad, Barangay Kagawad, buong Imata. Ayan, siyempre, shoutout din natin quarter. Siyempre, shoutout ko rin ang mga kasama natin sa Heimer at sa mga stats. Ayan. Third quarter sa pagbabalik ng ating laban.